That? Oh no! It is a big footprint. Oh! Try. Oh no! It's a big.
If we had an exchange of us, then you know I've been apart. You feel the pain when the memories die. If we had an exchange of us. Ulit.
Who are you?
We are soldiers. We are lost.
And eating my food?
No. We just help ourselves. It is not true. Just help ourselves. As your guest. We know me. We bring your food. This is our law.
Here, there is no law. Here, there is no law.
You're alone? Where is your parents?
My mother is a synonym. My father is the mighty Poseidon. Here, there is no law.
You're alone? Where is your parents?
My mother is a synonym. Our father is the mighty Poseidon.
Poseidon?
I am Polyphemus, the youngest. I will kill you.
If you kill me, you eat all the secrets of the world.
What secrets, huh?
What secrets? Anticlus, the one.
What is your name?
He is the Lord of... Quiet, please. My name is Nobody. Nobody. Oh no! It's difficult to open!
Okay, let's kill him now. Ah! Ah, my eye! Ah! Ah, I cannot see my eye! My eye! Ah! My eye! Ah, brothers, it's blinded me! Ah! Ah! Ah, where are you? I'll get you! Ah! Ah, my eye! My eye! Where are you? I'll get you! My eye! Cut na, no? My eye, where are you? I'll get you! Where my eye? My eye! My eye! Ah! Where are you? I'll get you! I'll get you! I'll get you! Father, revenge me, Poseidon! Nobody's blind me! Nobody's blind me!
When Penelope come to the shore, Mistress Anticlea will end her life. Mistress Anticlea! Mistress Anticlea! No! You will not stop me! sumisigaw kapag... No! Odysseus is alive!
Ay, malalim na agad. Malalim na agad.
Tuwa. Bring him back! Bring him back! Langoy ha, langoy.
No.
Go.
Leaving without taking my kindness. Don't you know? Ayun? You're leaving without taking my kindness. Don't you know no one leaves my island? Forget it. Teka lang, nakalimutan. Ano nga?
You're leaving
without taking my kindness. Don't you know no one leaves my island? Forget Ithaca. Yes?
Ah, Calypso. Is not glad to see me?
Hindi pa ba? Naku, sorry.
Ah, Calypso. Is not glad to see me?
Go away.
Oh, Calypso. It's just a messenger.
Who bring message with pain and sorrow?
But you make him a prisoner. Ah, Calypso. I'm glad to see you.
Go away.
Oh, Calypso. I'm just a messenger.
Who bring message with pain and sorrow?
Ah, Calypso. Is not glad to see me?
Go away.
Oh, Calypso. I'm just a messenger.
Who bring message with pain and sorrow?
But you make him a prisoner.
I given him a home.
But it's not that delicious. Fate is stray in your island. You have to set him free. It's the words said by Zeus.
I've chosen him as my husband. You were jealous of my happiness.
If your heart given this man his freedom, your island will be draw deep in the freedom, so farewell.
Stop. Stop it. Go home with your Penelope. Stop it. Go with your Penelope.
Why? With your ship?
No. Now go to swim. They were not trying to stop you. Just leave my island.
Why? It's because of Hermes?
In the backside of this, there's a cave with dry wood.
Balis ako, papasok. Kasi ito nagsalita, sabi niya, Odysseus. Kasi sabi ko na ito, sabi niya, tapos ako.
Sige, game. Set nyo na.
I'm back, Telemachus. I'm back. How's mother?
Okay, Gert, tapos pag lumabas, saka ako lalabas.
Game na!
Ayos ko! Okay na. Ayos na.
Ayos na?
I'm back. How's back? I'm back. How's mother?
She will be happy to see you.
Telemachus?
Who's there?
It is your father.
He cannot be Odysseus.
Mamaya.
He cannot be Odysseus. Odysseus is dead. What trick is this?
Odysseus is alive.
I only see a man without concern.
Ayan, hindi ko na nakasunod.
I only see a man without concern. Only see the man without concern. With his